Hey, it's Julie.
And Pete.
We're at the EMS World Expo in Orlando, Florida, and we are at the Spencer booth, and we're going to talk to you a little bit about the blue Splint. So this is a pretty different Splint.
Yeah.
Why is it different?
Well, I didn't think you really needed these, honestly. I wasn't sold on it at first, but after Andre showed us this new way of how to use one of the Splints, I'm definitely sold on this.
Well, what's the material?
It's made out of neoprene, so it
really soft.
keeps you warm and soft. And then there's a piece of aluminum that's in here. So even though it's straight like this, if you need to, you can put a little bend on it to curvature to the person.
Nice.
And stuff.
So it is a rigid Splint.
Yes.
It just has this really nice, soft material.
Yeah. Yep. So if you get it dirty, you would just pop out the bar.
So you can wash this in the machine?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
That's nice.
Good. So, and like most things, Spencer puts the orange at the top. So one of the things that we learned yesterday, right? This was neat. So I think we need this. So when you have somebody on the stretcher and you give them an IV, you know, they like to bend their arm, but this is super comfortable. You know, you just put this on and it keeps their arm straight and it keeps your IV flowing. So
that's another cool way of using it.
I know.
Yeah. I hate when people kink up their IV and then the medicine stops going.
And then it looks like you didn't do anything when you get to the hospital. So
that's nice.
Yeah, so you can use these for any different limb or appendage. It's really how creative that you can be as to what you're going to use it for. So another neat thing is we saw this.
Yeah, why are they sewn like this?
As you put this across, it takes up the slack on this and it gives you a little bit more bite when it pulls back. So
you don't have to keep pulling it away from the patient.
It's like a progress capture kind of thing.
That's nice.
So, and there's how many in here? I forget.
I think there are 5 Splints in here. That's pretty cool. That's a nice deal. Yeah. When you buy this, you get 5 Splints. And they're all different sizes. So it's not just your arms.
Yeah.
They work for your legs.
Or you break, if you lose one.
Oh yeah, what happens if you lose one of these?
You can call your rep or you can call Spencer and they can send you just one thing, which I think is super neat.
You don't have to buy the whole kit again.
Just one. Or pieces. Like if you overbend this, like if you're doing a lot of splinting, you can order a new one of these.
Okay.
So
Sounds
the other cool thing is the directions and their color.
Don't forget to read the instructions.
Yeah, so it can give you some cool ideas of how to use these Splints. So
very nice. Well, sounds like a cool product, Peter.